Hey friends, welcome to our channel where we break down the freshest crypto market news. Today is December 15, 2025, and we're talking about Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies. The BTC price is currently trading around $89,000, with a slight decrease of 0.5% over the last 24 hours. The market is tense. The fear and greed index has dropped into the fear zone, and Bitcoin has even fallen into the extreme fear category. But let's figure out what's really happening. We've gathered the key events of the day, analysis, and forecasts for you. If you're a trader or investor, this video is for you. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss updates.
Discover Etherify, a trusted project in the field of cryptocurrency staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which speaks to the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Etherify uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract permanent partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which significantly exceeds standard terms. My experience with Etherify confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning more than $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these favorable conditions while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most profitable staking rate.
First, about the price. Bitcoin started the week below $90,000, dipping even below $88,000 at times, but then recovered a bit. This is happening against a backdrop of general uncertainty in the market. Japan's economy is scaring investors, and crypto is reacting. According to reports, Bitcoin has lost support for parabolic growth. Veteran trader Peter Brandt warns of a possible drop to $25,000 if the parabola breaks completely. He says that the BTC growth curve is broken, and this could lead to a serious correction. But not everything is so bad. Analysts note that $80,000 is a strong support, and as long as it holds, there's no need to panic yet. Now about macroeconomics. There is a lot of noise around the Bank of Japan. A rate hike of 0.25% is expected on December 19. This could strengthen the yen, unwind carry trades, and hit risk assets, including Bitcoin. Analysts warn of a possible BTC drop of 30% to $70,000. Historically, such hikes led to BTC drops of 22% in March, 31% in July, and 32% in January. Japan is the largest holder of U.S. debt, so their policy affects global liquidity. Traders in Asia are already locking in profits and trading volumes are falling, a typical year-end story when liquidity is thin and movements are sharp. But there's positivity too. The Trump family, through their American Bitcoin project, bought 261 BTC for $23.5 million. Now they have 5,044 BTC worth $451 million. This is a signal of confidence from influential players. El Salvador is also building up reserves. Now they have more than 7,500 BTC worth $667 million. President Bukele continues the buy the dip strategy, and so far, it's working. Another important news from mining, in China, farms in Xinjiang were shut down, confiscating about 400,000 miners. The network hash rate dropped by 100 EH per S, that's 8% of the total. Chinese hash rate recently reached 15 to 20% of the global despite bans. This is due to an oversupply of data centers without AI demands, so they were mining secretly. Now, coins from these farms might flood the market, adding pressure. But in the long term, this could stabilize the network as mining spreads around the world. About companies, Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, stayed in the Nasdaq 100 index despite criticism. They continue to hoard BTC, and their stocks are sensitive to crypto prices. Michael Saylor warns of chaos and confusion if they're excluded from indexes. But for now, everything's okay. And HashKey, a crypto exchange, raised $206 million for an IPO in Hong Kong, a good sign for the Asian market. Forecasts are mixed. Standard Chartered could the end of 2025 target to $100,000 from $200,000. But Motley Fool asks, can BTC reach 250,000 in 2026? They refer to the 4-year boom and bust cycle, and we're at the beginning of a bull run. Peter Brandt sees risks, but other analysts, like from the Crypto Basic, note key levels. Fibonacci support at 74,000, resistance at 93,000. Bulls are aiming for a breakout to 93,000. On X, formerly Twitter, there's a storm. Traders share signals, discuss the hash rate drop, and Trump's purchases. One post, BOJ hike, 30% downside to 70K. Another, Bitcoin is testing a multi-year trend line. Hold on. In conclusion, the market is on defense, but fundamentals are strong. BTC is still in an uptrend, but watch Japan in volumes. If support at 80,000 holds, expect a rebound. Don't risk everything. Diversify and wait for signals. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Hold your BTC tight, friends.